Hey there, mind detectives. Welcome back to the channel where we crack the code of human behavior. Today's case? Deciphering the mysterious world of female attraction. You see that girl over there? The one stealing glances and biting her lip? There's a good chance she's into you, but guys can be clueless when it comes to these subtle hints. Fear not, my friend, because today we're unveiling 12 undeniable signs she's basically begging you to make a move. Grab your metaphorical magnifying glass, because we're about to become experts in the language of love. Sign #1, the body language blitz. Our bodies speak volumes, even before we utter a word. Pay attention to hers. Is she leaning in close during conversation, not just physically, but with her entire focus directed at you? Does she subconsciously mirror your posture, a way of unconsciously building rapport? These are classic signs of interest. If she makes playful touches on your arm or shoulder, a brush that lingers a little too long, that's a green light for more physical contact. However, be mindful of her comfort level. Don't be grabby or pushy. Instead, follow her lead and see if she reciprocates your touch. A gentle touch on her hand when you make a funny remark or brushing a stray hair from her eye can be a great way to gauge her interest. Sign #2, the friend farewell. Is she strategically ditching her friends when you're around? This might not be a coincidence, mind detectives. She could be sending a clear message. I'm here for you, not them. Think about it. When do girls ever ditch their squad? Rarely. But here she is saying, I'm cool, go on without me. That's a massive sign. It's her way of sticking around just for you. She's practically screaming, I am here for this guy, not the club. If she's making that move, she's ready for you to take her somewhere more private. However, don't be forceful. Casually suggest grabbing a drink or checking out a quieter spot. Let her know you're interested in getting to know her better. Sign #3, the invite. An invitation to her place is a big deal. It shows trust and opens the door for something more than just friendship. However, respect is key here. Always ensure she feels comfortable and safe. Before things escalate, make sure you're both on the same page. Is this just a casual hangout, or is there a potential for something more? Clear communication is crucial. That being said, if she's inviting you over for a movie night or to cook dinner together, that's a clear sign she's interested in spending quality time with you. Take the opportunity to showcase your personality and see if there's a spark. Sign #4, the shedding siren. This one might seem subtle, but it can be a powerful signal. Is she taking off layers of clothing, even if it's not quite hot enough? This could be a way of making herself more physically inviting. Think about it. If she were just hot, she'd take off the jacket and go about her day. But she's making a conscious effort to show off a little more skin, hoping you'll notice. Remember, it's about interest, not consent. Read the whole situation before getting any ideas. Is she making eye contact? Is she playfully flirting? If the answer is yes, then a compliment on her outfit or a light flirt might be appropriate. Just be respectful and see how she responds. Sign #5. The photo parade random selfies are one thing. But if she's sending you photos that seem specifically curated, there might be a hidden message. A cute picture with her pet or a solo shot at a fancy restaurant. She's hoping you'll notice more than just the scenery. Play it cool, but acknowledge the photo with a compliment or light flirt. Sign #6. The touchy light touches and playful nudges are a woman's way of gauging your interest. She might brush your hand accidentally, on purpose, as you reach for the napkin dispenser, or playfully punch your arm after you crack a joke. These are invitations for more physical connection. Just be mindful of her comfort level and keep it respectful. Mirror her energy. If her touches are light and playful, respond in kind. If she seems hesitant, pull back and focus on conversation. The key is to make her feel safe and comfortable. Sign #7, the dance floor darling. The dance floor can be a hotbed for unspoken attraction. If she's grinding close to you and making sure you feel every curve, that's a clear sign she wants your attention. There's a difference between dancing together and dancing on you. If she's all over you, it's not exactly subtle. If she turns around and gives you a full-body press, well, that's about as forward as it gets on the dance floor. In this situation, you can take the lead. Wrap your arm around her waist, hold her hand, or ask her if she'd like to grab a drink somewhere quieter. The dance floor might be loud, but it's a great opportunity to show your confidence and make a move. Sign #8, the inquiry queen. This might seem random, but if she asks about your type in a seemingly casual way, it's not just out of curiosity. She's fishing to see if she fits the bill. Maybe you mentioned you're looking for someone who's adventurous and suddenly she's regaling you with tales of her recent backpacking trip. Don't box yourself in by listing physical traits. Keep it broad. Someone with a good vibe, someone who's nurturing. This shows you value more than just looks and are interested in getting to know the person behind the pretty face. Sign #9, the leaning lady. This one's a dead giveaway, and if you're missing it, you might need to adjust your detective glasses. When she's leaning in close, whether it's her lips nearly brushing against your ear in a loud room or her head finding a way onto your shoulder, she's screaming, "I am into you," without making a sound. If she's making every excuse to close that gap between you, she's definitely interested. Your move should be leaning in too, but keep it classy. It's the perfect setup for a kiss or to escalate things further, but only if the moment feels right. Don't rush it. Let the tension build and make eye contact to gauge her interest before getting too close. So there you have it, mind detectives. The 12 undeniable signs she's basically begging you to make a move. Remember, these are just clues, not guarantees. Read the whole situation, be respectful, and most importantly, be confident. Sometimes the best move is a simple smile or a friendly conversation, but if you see multiple signs flashing neon, take a chance. The worst she can say is no. And the best case scenario? Well, let's just say your love life might be looking a whole lot brighter. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing content from the Mind Detective. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. And if you've got a burning question about love, relationships, or human behavior in general, leave a comment below. We might just crack your case in a future episode. Until next time, stay curious, stay confident, and stay tuned.